everybody, it's Mrs. Murphy. Welcome to Math Night. We're going to be doing some math activities tonight. I have number cards from 0 to 9. In this activity, you're going to choose 4 cards. Let's choose some cards. 9, 5, 4, and I have a 7. So we need to make a 3-digit number out of this. So I think I'm going to stick with my 954, and I'm going to multiply it by 7. I need to work this out on paper, so you need to make sure that you do area model. Here is my answer. My product for 954 times 7 is 6,678. When you continue to play the game in order to win, the higher the number, the better your score. Hope you enjoy. Bye.
Hi, I'm Miss Barber. I am here to share with you one of our next games for Math Night, and we're going to play Rounding War. So our game is set up exactly the way war would be played, except you're getting these nice big stack of digits 0 to 9, and there are 60 of them, so that once they're all shuffled up, each player gets their amount. We'll pass them all out. You should each have 30 cards. When you get started, I'm going to start with a 3-digit number. I would turn over my 3 cards, and I'm going to round to the nearest 10. So I'm looking at my 6 in the 10th place. When I use my ones place, I know that 6 is 5 or more. So that means that my 6 in the 10s would become a 7, and my new number would be 270. In my example that I'm going to show you where I wrote it out, I also have a 6-digit number example, and I use the 10,000 place to round as well. I hope you have fun. Bye.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Clifford. I'm going to be showing you an awesome matching game with fractions. So the object of the game is to get as much cards matching as possible. You're going to get a stack of cards, and you have to place them all over your table. So you and your partner will then pick up 2 cards and see whether they're matching. Well, as you look at the numbers, these are not a match. Therefore, you put the cards down, and your partner goes and picks up 2 other cards. Hopefully they remember the 2 cards that you picked, so they can get a match. So if you look at the numbers, these are a match. These are the same, even though they're 2 different numbers. They're equivalent. So that means you take these cards, and those are your points. Once you are done, you clear off the table and count how many you have and see who wins. Have fun.
Hi guys, it's Mrs. Stott. We are going to play Kahoot for our math night. And so I know most of you have played this, and I know you're probably already jumping up and down. But if you haven't played it before, you want to go to kahoot.it, and then you're going to enter in this game pin. So once you enter in your game pin, you just have to enter in your name. I know it says nickname, but put your actual name so your teacher knows that you participated. Then press go. And then you're going to do 6 questions of adding and subtracting fractions. So let me remind you how you add and subtract fractions. I have 2 mixed numbers here, and I want to remember that when I'm doing mixed numbers, I always start with my fractions. I'm also going to remember that when you add and subtract fractions, you don't do anything to these denominators. So I'm going to slide that 5 down. Then I'm going to add my numerators. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now I can move to my whole numbers. 2 plus 1 is 3. But did you guys happen to notice that 5 over 5 is actually a whole? So this is actually 4. I hope you guys have fun with Kahoot, and check your teacher's class dojo, because we're also going to put the Kahoot information. Bye.
So, hello everyone, I'm Miss Guy, and we've had such a fun night at Math Night, but guess what? With all this fun, are you hungry? I know I am. So, one more activity we can do is we can get ready for dinner. And this is a special dinner. It's Mom's birthday. So, you are gonna have a to-do list, a shopping list, and you're gonna have a circular, okay? This is where we can go shopping. We're gonna take this circular and we're gonna look for specific items. We're gonna look for a meat, We're gonna look for an appetizer. We're going to look for some veggies. We're gonna look for a starch. It could be potato, rice, or pasta, okay? And don't forget the birthday cake. Shh, we can make it a surprise. So, you're gonna look through the circular for those different items, and you are going to write the item and how much it costs on your paper. If you get more than one, make sure you work it out on the side to multiply how much that item costs all together, okay? And then, when you're done making your list and finding all your items, oh yeah, don't forget the drinks too. We need to drink all that down, okay? Add it all together and see how much you get. Now here's the trick. You only have $50 to spend, so make sure you don't go over that number and see if you can save any money. Let's go eat.